Kaliang pyrshah Kongres kalarai ban leit mudui sya kaying bishar pyrshah ya kajing leit pyniasoh jong ki ngut ki MLA jong ka sya ka parti liang sensyar National People's Party NPP. Kata ada ka bapentip ru basyan kan sa shimru ya karai lakan wengno na kajing lang bat ke NPP Hakasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC. Presiden ke Kongres Uba Vincent H. Pala habakren syikilat pathai kubor ulaong. Ngilayamir jingmut berkiri ustadan, bat ngilanang penkre ya kikot kisla bat klempet, ngin mudui da mukotduma, kamdon kanu ke jing arpatien halor kani. Ula pentip ru baka parti kadang ya bir jingmut bat kiri ustadan halor kumno banya aireng pyrshah ya ka hukum jong ulampang, ka ying darbar thawan, ban IG itu ya ka jinglet pyniasoh jong kilaingut, na pedeng kisangut ki MLA, kata Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA Umsning, Charles Marngar MLA Mawhati Batba Gabriel Waklang MLA Nongstron Constituency, Syaka NPP haka khat kendai tarik mentah ubnai. Da ka bapenpau bakathong jong ka BJP ka long ban penjak kerteng sendon ka Kongres hapok kari, uba pala ulaong, ka NPP ru kadon ya kajuk kasur hang ni, kata ka Meghalaya Kongres Mukt. Ya kani kasur lahikai da ka BJP. Ki nong shong ka Meghalaya ki day bentip baka jingedai hapedeng ka BJP bat ka NPP kalanang kalan. Nalor kataw ni Presiden ka Kongres upentip ru baki babun na kinong yalam jong ka parti, kilapan pau ya ka jingdon kam jong ka parti ban wengno na ka Executive Committee balay yalam da ka NPP hapo KHADC, bat kala i hakinong yalam ka parti basyan kinshim ya karay halor kani kapang. Ka Kongres mentah kadan setang arngut ki MDC, kata uba Roni V. Lingdo ubadai ru MLA balasa marway na melim, bat uba pensyangain lang NSM na maukar pentor umkra, ha kaying dorbar ka badan laipongut ki dekot, hadin ka jinglet pyniasoh jong uba Charles Marngar, bat uba Gabriel Waklang syaka NPP. Uba PNSM mentah ubat kum Deputy Chief Executive Member, haka isi balayalam da uba penyaj singsm. Ka jingsno kinong yalam jongi kalong bangidai manlit marway siya po District Council, bat kilasyani aru hau Presiden bat kakunhun jong uban bishar bnia ya kijingdon kam baro. Ka jingsno jong baro hi kalong bakim sno tenat ya karukom baka NPP kale, bat ya kabalaja hapo ka District Council. Kumta ki babun naki ki perkhat bangidai ban mi no naka council ong uba pala. Syuk uba pala ulaong ru bakaray jo ka Kongres ban kersyan ya ka isi ka NPP ha KHADC kadai ka bala pensyong nong rem halor kimat ki bayday bat ka jingpen kala thema ya ka 6 schedule ka riti sensyar khadar jong kari bat ka jingpia ya ki constituency haswa ban leit ka election MDC.
The mood of our workers that we should go alone in this council, and the mood of our workers, they also entrusted the president and his team to examine it clearly, what are the pros and cons. So overall the mood is that they are not happy with the way which the NPP is doing, the way which is happening in the council. So most of them, they think that we should withdraw from the council, and Bapanchang has assured them that we have a system, we are a national party, we cannot just walk in and walk out. We have a system, we have to see the pros and cons. Number one is the interest of the public has to be taken in consideration. So we have told them, so majority of them, they trust us and they leave the matter to us. You know, when we took a decision with a good intention that we should contribute for the amendment of the 6th schedule, we should not allow only on the NPP and the BJP to dictate terms. We have a very experienced politicians in the district, Panchangan and his team. At that time, MLAs and all. We said that we should not allow BJP and the NPP to take decision whatever they like. That is our intention. But that stage is almost gone. And also the delimitation of the district council and many other things which we need to contribute. Because at that time there was a big issue between the NPP and the UDP. So the public, especially the people of Meghalaya, the people of Khasi and Jainti Hills, should have been left unattended if you don't participate. So our intention is not to make anything, our intention is to contribute for the welfare of the people. So it may be, you may say that it may be late, but our intention was that we are not a party where we just be under pressure by anybody. We should scrutinize, we should examine, and we should also see that the priority is to defend our people, to protect our people and preserve our culture and preserve our land, preserve our unity. That's what we think. We are consulting, we are getting the papers. So we definitely will file a case. There's no doubt about that.
During the last 1 year, when we are working together with NPP, you should learn so many things that we have contributed in the district council. In terms of regulations, and rules, for small example, we have passed many bill and amendment for the interest of our people. That is number one. Number two, as Sir already briefed you, we are during a very important situation where the process for amendment of the 6th bill is going on. I think we all know, not only NPP, Congress, but all MDs, we work together to see that the amendment of the 6th schedule should be the advantage for us. I think you understand that we work together with the very intention for the interest of our people as per our tradition, custom. Many ilakas, Hima also has introduced the bill for the respective ilakas. We work together to speed up many important issues for the interest of our people. Yes, it's very true. In our today meeting, the voice of our party workers, why not we relook on the working together this result? We all agree with you that this has been endorsed to the president and along with state leaders to discuss on this issue. Because I think you understand, it is not appropriate for us to act anything in a very hurried, because we are wherever we are. We have only one objective, to do the best for our people. That's why I told you that it is not too late for us. Because in the last 1 year, I think you all know many things we did in the district councils. Especially, I think in the social media, we have many complicated issues until and unless we work with us. So, as I already told you that this has been endorsed to the party president, along with few leader of the state Pradesh Congress Committee, then this will be discussed during the meeting.